Okay. See here, exercise 3.1. Question number 1 is very simple. Given here are some figures. Classify each of them on the basis of the following.
ના ટેક્સ્ટ બુક માં જ લખ્યા.
Yes, beta. Simple curve, simple closed curve, polygon,
Okay.
convex polygon, and concave polygon. Right? Okay. Now we can see. First, you can see.
ફેરબુક માં લખવાની છે ને?
Yes, beta. Okay, see here. The first question in which how many figures are simple curve? So you can clearly see figure number 1, 2, 3, 6,
Sir,
7.
3, 5, 6, 7 and 8.
No, 8 is not a simple curve. Okay. So write down simple curve in 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2. Yes, 3. And 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 are simple curve. Okay. Okay, then you can see simple closed curve. કેટલી ફિગર જે છે એ ક્લોઝ છે તો એ બધી ફિગર ક્લોઝ છે જો તો 1 2 3 5 6 7 બરાબર કે નહીં રાઈટ
Return.
okay then C polygon so we have only two polygon 1 and 2 right except 1 and 2 are not polygon because of in a polygon we have to make sure that we have all sides.
સર એ
Right,
ફિર સે
but
રિપીટ
you
કરો
can
ને.
see in figure 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 in which we have curve shape. So it is not a polygon. Okay?
Sir,
Okay.
simple curve થઈ ગયો પછી simple close curve કયા છે?
It beta 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Okay.
And then polygon, in polygon only first two figure we have as a polygon. Right? Okay. Now
Sir,
we can see.
polygon 1, 2, 3.
No, 1, 2 only.
Okay.
સિમ્પલ કરુમાં
Hello.
સર એ ફિર સે કરો તો.
क्या
ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 1.
Convex માં શું છે?
શું કીધું બેટા
Convex polygon માં શું છે?
wait for a minute. In convex polygon we have figure number 2.
Only
Convex
two.
means whenever diagonal are intersect it is known as convex polygon, right?
Yes.
And last figure concave polygon in which we have figure number 1.
1.
Clear all of you?
યસ સર એમાં કયા કયા છે સિમ્પલ કરુમાં
બેટા કયા ક્વેશ્ચન માં કહો છો તમે
સર ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 1
હા ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 1 નું કહી તો દીધું બધાનું
એ
સિમ્પલ
One,
કર્વ ની
two,
અંદર
three, five,
સાંભળો
six,
મ્યુટ યોર માઇક simple curve 1 2 3 5 6 7 simple closed curve 1 2 3 5 6 7 then polygon 1 and 2 then convex polygon 2 and concave polygon 1. Okay?
Okay. Yes. સર તો આ નંબર 4 નો તો કાઈ ન આવ્યું.
No આવ્યું બેટા સાચી વસ્તુ સારું ચલો. Okay, now you can see the second question. How many diagonals each of the following have? How many diagonals? કેટલા diagonals total તમને મળે? Quadrilateral માં, hexagon માં and triangle. ત્રણ ફિગર છે તમારી પાસે. એમાં કેટલા diagonal તમને મળે એવો question છે તમારો. Okay, so please see here.
Okay. તો આ ફેરબુક માં લખવાનું.
સર ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 1 ફેરબુક માં લખવાનું છે.
Yes, બેટા.
Well, lesson number 3. Not 5.
Sir, lesson number 3, not 2.
Beta,
Well,
it
lesson
is
number.
not lesson number 2, it is lecture 2, today's second lecture.
Okay, sir.
Lecture.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
Okay, now you can see question number 2, in which we have to find how many diagonals each of the following have. There are three names given here: quadrilateral, hexagon, and triangle. First, we are drawing these three shapes. It is quadrilateral, then it is hexagon, and triangle. Okay. You can see in a quadrilateral, for example, it is ABCD quadrilateral. We have two diagonals, AC and BD, right? So in a quadrilateral, how many diagonals we have?
4. 2 diagonal.
Two. Two diagonals, right? Now you can see for a hexagon, in hexagon we have six vertices, A, B, C, D, E, F, right? If we consider A as a vertices, E, D, and C are opposite vertices, right? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Here we are drawing three vertices from three diagonals from vertices A. Now you can see same thing. We are drawing another diagonals from B vertices. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And same thing, we
Yes.
are drawing diagonals from C vertices too. So CF and CE are diagonals, right? From D vertices, we are drawing one another diagonal DF. Okay. Now you can see from every vertices we can draw three vertices, three diagonals. You can see from
Yes.
A, 1, 2, and 3. From B, 1, 2, and 3. From C, 1, 2, and 3. From D, 1, 2, and 3. From E, 1, 2, and
3
3. And
zigzag
from
and
F,
apple.
1, 2, and 3.
3
So there
zigzag.
are lots of diagonal. We have to count it. Okay. Just see.
Yeah.
First, we are writing all the vertices or all the diagonals, so it's become very easy. You can see first we are drawing diagonal AC, AD, and AE, right? Then we are drawing diagonal BD, BE, and BF. From C, you can see AC, we are drawing CF and CE. We draw these two diagonals, CF and CE. And from D, we are drawing only one diagonal,
So
DF.
total 15 diagonals.
What?
Total 15 diagonals.
हाँ, टोटल कितनी लाइन है वो भी काउंट कर लो और यहाँ पे नीचे लिखा उसके साथ मैच कर लो. नीचे हमने कितने डायगोनल्स लिखे टोटल 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. यहाँ पर हमको टोटल 9 लाइन मिलेगी. देखना, देखो काउंट करो. पहले ये ए ई, फिर ए डी, फिर ए सी, 3 हो गई. फिर यहाँ पर काउंट करो बी एफ, बी ई एंड बी डी 6. फिर यहाँ पर देखो ए सी हमारे पास हो गई पहले. अब देखो सी एफ और सी ई ये दोनों, तो 8. और डी में से काउंट करो तो बी डी हमने ड्रॉ कर लिया, ए डी भी ड्रॉ हो गया, डी एफ ए की बाकी है. तो टोटल कितने वर्टाइसेस हमने डायगोनल ड्रॉ किए? 9. हाउ मेनी डायगोनल्स वी आर ड्रॉइंग इन हेक्सागोन? 9. ओके. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now give me answer. How many diagonals we can draw in a triangle?
3.
0. Why? Because of in a triangle,
It itself is a
we
triangle.
don't have opposite vertices,
Yes.
right? If you consider A, B and C are adjacent, not opposite. Are you getting my point?
Yes, and it
Yes,
serves
sir.
the twinkle.
અગર તમે A ને કાઉન્ટ કરો તો C
Yes.
and B આ બંને adjacent vertices થાય, opposite vertices no થાય. So it means we have no opposite vertices. Okay. So it means in a triangle we cannot draw any diagonal. Clear all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Now draw these three shape and write down question number.
Return. Return. Sufyan, mic बंद कर.
Mute your mic, all of you. Recording is going on.
सर हो गया
લખાઈ ગયો.
Okay.
Sir, this write in fair book.
एक्सरसाइज है लिखना ही तो पड़ेगा ना
Now you can see question number 3. What is the sum of measure of the angle of a convex quadrilateral? Will this property hold if the quadrilateral is not convex? Okay, so it is very simple question. What is sum of the measure of angle of convex quadrilateral? So we have to apply formula. Angle sum property of interior angle is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree, where n is number of vertices. Here we have quadrilateral, so we are taking 4 vertices. So 4 minus 2 into 180 degree, we get 360 degree as the answer. It is the angle sum of convex quadrilateral. This property hold if the quadrilateral is not convex, right? Because of we have 4 vertices. It is not matter if it is convex or if it is concave. Clear all of you? So what is the answer? 360 degrees. See here. Angle sum property or angle sum of any polygon is equal to, we have formula we discussed in last lecture, n minus 2 into 180 degree. Here angle sum of quadrilateral, it means in quadrilateral we have 4 vertices. So 4 minus 2 into 180 degree. 4 minus 2, 2 into 180 degree. We get 360 degree as an angle sum of a quadrilateral. It is not matter here, it is concave or convex. But the sum of quadrilateral, angle sum of a quadrilateral is always 360 degree. Are you getting?
यस
Yes, sir. Getting.
Okay.
સર તમે પોલિગોનની સ્પેલિંગ રોંગ લખી છે.
Okay, now write down question number 3.
સર રિટર્ન.
Return.
सर रिटर्न
Return.
Okay.
Sir, return.
Now you can see question number 4. Examine the table. Each figure is divided into triangles and the sum of angles deduced from that. Okay, you can see the table. In a triangle, we have 3 sides, then angle sum is 180 degree. In a
Sir, textbook
quadrilateral,
માં
we have
કરવાનું
4
છે.
sides, so it is 4 minus 2 into 180 degree. It is common formula n minus 2 into 180 degree. I just explain you this formula. Okay, so on the basis of this table, we have to give the answer about this. What can you say about the angle sum of a convex polygon with number of sides 7, 8, 10 and n? Okay, so it is very simple. Angle sum of a polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree, right? Okay, now first question is given about heptagon. Why? Because of here given that n is equal to 7. Now put n is equal to 7. 7 minus 2 into 180 degree. So we get 5 into 180 degree. And 5 into 180 degree means it is 900 degree. So it means angle sum of heptagon, it is 900 degree. Now the second given here, for octagon. In octagon we have 8 side, so n is equal to 8. Okay, so what is the formula? N minus 2 into 180 degree. Put n is equal to 8 into 180 degree. 6 into 180 degree. What is the answer? 1080 degree. And third is given for 10, decagon. In decagon we have 10 side, so we are taking n is equal
n
to
equals to 10 and n minus
10.
2 equals 10 minus 2 equals to 8. 8 into 180.
Clear all of you? And if we have n sides, so we cannot decide the value of n. So what is the formula? N minus 2 into 180 degree. Clear all of you? Okay, write down question number 4.
સર થર્ડ નંબર પર ઝૂમ કરો ડેકાગોનમાં.
કયા નંબર પર?
ડેકાગોન.
ડેકાગોન કે હેપ્ટાગોન?
ડેકા ડેકા. એના આન્સર 1440 છે.
Yes.
Sir, return. Return. Sir, return.
बाकी से सर
सर हो गया हो गया
रिटर्न
सर हो गया
Okay, now we can see question number 5. What is a regular polygon? State the name of a regular polygon of 3 sides, 4 sides, and 6 sides. The answer of question number 5,
ट्राइंगल
here
स्क्वायर
you can see the answer of question number 5. In a polygon, if all sides and all angles are equal, then it is known as regular polygon. Regular polygon with 3 sides, it is known as equilateral triangle. Regular polygon with 4 sides, it is known as square. And regular polygon with 6 sides, it is known as regular hexagon. Write down this question.
Sir, we have returned this. सर ये तो हो गया.
आपको लिखना होगा ना।
हाँ, तो इसलिए तो बोल रहा हूँ कि दोबारा आपको लिखना है एक्सरसाइज में. वो थियरी में था, यहाँ पर एक्सरसाइज में यही पूरा लिखना है.
Okay.
देखो जल्दी से.
Answer 5.
Okay, sir.
सर ये आंसर 5 है.
यस.
सर आपने क्या बताया 3 साइड रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन के बाद क्या लिखना है इट इज नोन एज रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन के बाद क्या लिखना है सर
इट इज नॉन एज रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन.
उसके बाद ये ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ
उसके बाद
करना
में
है
ये दोनों फिगर ड्रॉ करनी है.
ओके
फिर लिखना है आपको कि रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन विद 3 साइड्स इट इज नॉन एज इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल. And regular polygon with 4 sides, it is known as square.
સર ટ્રાયંગલ સ્ક્વેર ને બીજું
उसके बाद में regular polygon with 6 sides, it is known as regular hexagon. We have no specific name for pentagon, hexagon, heptagon. So we are writing regular pentagon, regular hexagon, regular heptagon. Okay?
ओके सर ओके
तो सिर्फ हेक्सागोन तक ही लिखना है इधरी ना करने है वो ત્યાં જાઓ એ રીતે વાત કરે છે
અહીં હેન્ડ રેસ કર્યા કરે છે તો ટ્રુંગ ટ્રુંગ વાગે છે સર.
સર ઇધરી થાવ અવાજ કરે છે
શું કીધું?
સર
ઇધરી
ઇદ્રીસ
થાવ અવાજ કરે છે
ઇદ્રીસ.
કરે છે ગળે ગળે.
સર
સર મેં તો
દર
હેન્ડ
લેક્ચરમાં આવું જ કરે છે
રેસ
સર હેન્ડ રેસ કરીને આવાજ કર્યા કરે છે ઇધરી
યસ સર
બેટા કેમ તારો માઇક અનમ્યુટ થાય છે વારા ઘડીએ?
સર મેં તો હેન્ડ રેસ કર્યો હતો
હે?
હેન્ડ રેસ કર્યો હતો
શું
એટલે
લેવા?
આવે છે ને મેસેજ આવે છે વચ્ચે વચ્ચે
બેટા recording is going on. Please don't disturb in a lecture.
ઓકે સર
Now mute your mic. It is last warning. Otherwise, I call you Charmim to remove you.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 हो गया
Written all of you?
Yes.
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 Yes, sir. Sir.
Okay, now you can see question number 6. Find the angle measure x in the following figures. Now you can see some figures are given. We have to find the value of x. Okay. Can you tell me first figure is which type?
Quadrilateral.
Exactly, it is quadrilateral. So we know that the angle sum of a quadrilateral, it is 360 degree, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Angle sum of a quadrilateral, it is 360 degree. And here given that four different angle, 50, 130, 120 plus x, the angle of this four angle sum of this four angle, it is 360 degree. So now add these three angle, 130 and 120, 250 plus 50, 300
Yes.
plus
300
x is
and the
equal
x
to
angle is
360
60
degree.
degree. X
So
angle
x
is
is
60
equal
degree.
to 360
Silent
degree
mic band
minus 300. What is the answer?
300.
X equals to 60 degree.
What is the
X6.
answer?
Sir.
X is equal to 60 degree.
Exactly.
Sir.
Clear all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Now you can see same like this. In second figure we have another quadrilateral. Now
90
you can
plus
see in
60
this
plus 70.
quadrilateral three interior angle and one exterior angle is given. Right? You can see 60, 70 and x are interior angle. And one perpendicular right angle sign, it is given in exterior. Right?
90
So
degree.
if you want to
It is
solve this
90.
question, how can you solve? See here.
माने क्या मैगजीन का
It is 90 degree given, it is x, it is 70 degree, and it is 60 degree. Right? So first of all, we have to find this interior angle.
90 degree.
Right? Then we can apply angles of property. So first of all, we are finding interior angle. So we know that it is right angle. Exterior is right angle. So interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degree. We have to find interior angle. Exterior angle, it is given 90 degree because of right angle sign. Right? So interior angle is equal to 180 minus 90 degree. We get interior angle is equal to 90 degree. So this angle, it is also 90 degree. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir. એમનામાં જ ખબર પડી જાય.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Now we can see the angle sum of this four angle, it is 360 degree because of quadrilateral. So we can apply here also one thing, x plus 70 degree plus 60 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 360 degree. So we can say that x plus 70 plus 60, 130 and 130 plus 90, 220 degree is equal to 360 degree. So what is the answer? X is equal to 360 degree minus 220 degree. We get x is equal to 140 degree. Clear all of you?
Yes,
Yes.
clear.
Yes.
Now we can see question number 3.
लखानो बाकी है
Okay, beta, I will give you time. Now you can see this figure C, in which it is pentagon. Yes or no?
Yes, it is
So if it is
pentagon.
pentagon, then we can draw a pentagon like this. It is given that 30 degree, Here
outside
two
is
exterior angles 60 and 70
yes,
degree are given.
yes,
We have to find x. Okay.
yes,
So first of all, we know that interior plus exterior is equal to 180 degree. So if interior angle is exterior angle is 70, then what is interior angle? It is 180 minus 70 is equal to 110 degree. Yes or no?
Yes.
Same thing we apply for another exterior angle. Interior plus exterior is equal to 180 degree. Here the second exterior angle is 60 given. Then what is the interior angle? 180 minus 60, we get 120 degree. Right? Yes or no? Now we can see in a pentagon there are 5 angles 30, x, x, 110 and 120 degree, in which we have to apply angle sum property. So we know that angle sum of pentagon. What is the angle sum of pentagon?
N minus 2.
What? 540 degree. देखो यहाँ पर किस तरीके से निकालेंगे हम. In a pentagon we have 5 vertices, so 5 minus 2 into 180 degree, right? 5 minus 2 means 3 into 180 degree. 3 into 180 degree क्या आंसर होगा आपका? 540 degree. Now you can see 5 angles are given: 30 plus x plus x plus 110 plus 120. It is the angle sum 540 degree. Now add this whole 30 plus 110, 140, 140 and 120, 260 plus x is equal to 540. We are taking x plus x 2x, 260 we are taking left side, so 540 minus 260. We get 2x is equal to 540 minus 260. What is the answer? 180? No, it's not 180, 280. Yeah. Wait, 5 minus 2, 3. 340 minus 60, 280. Yes, exactly. So what is the answer? X is equal to 280 divided by 2. So we get x is equal to 140 degree. Clear all of you? Yes or no?
Yeah.
And last question of question number 6, and then you can write here. You can see a regular pentagon is given. How can you identify it is regular pentagon? You can see in which all sides are equal and all angles are equal. Right? So it means the angle sum of this all the angle of pentagon, it is always
60 degree.
500 degree, 540 degree.
500 came.
Right? And all angles are x, so we can add this 5x is equal to 540 degree. So we get 540 degree divided by 5, so x is equal to 108 degree. Clear all of you? Okay, now write down question number 6. Question number 7 we will
Return
do in next
everything.
lecture.
Everything return.
साहिल हमारा तो बाकी है।
See, look.
सर सेकंड नंबर पर जूम करो.
है?
सेकंड नंबर पर जूम करो.
नंबर 3 बाकी है. सर आप जूम मत करो ना। सर नंबर 3 बाकी है। सराफत सर।
सर 3 जूम कर ले।
सर 3 and 4 both.
Okay, write down 3 and 4.
सर ये नंबर 3 का आंसर क्या है?
क्या
नंबर 2 का।
कहाँ पर?
सर रिटर्न।
Return.
Okay.
सर मेरा बाकी है हमारा।
जल्दी से लिख बेटा।
હજી એક ક્વેશ્ચન લખાવાનો છે કે પૂરું?
No बेटा, question number 7 we will do next lecture.
ઓકે સર, બાય.
सराफत सर।
बाय 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 बाय
सर बाय।
बाय।
Written all of you.
यस सर।
यस सर। सर मैं स्क्रीनशॉट ले लूं, मेरा थोड़ा बाकी है।
समझा मुझे आप भी दीजिए।
हाँ ये सर तू आप ही ले लीजिए।
Okay, now we will do question number 7 and exercise 3.2 in next lecture. Okay?
ओके सर।
Write down this exercise in your fair book and one time in your homework. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo, bye all of you. Have a nice day.
बाय सर।
बाय सर।
Hi, sir.
बाय सर। बाय सर। बाय। सर का होमवर्क